Welcome back to Autopulses MVP. Infiniti has officially unveiled the all-new 2025 QX80, positioned as the luxury counterpart to the Nissan. The biggest change? A brand new 3.5L twin-turbo V6 petrol engine replacing the current 5.6L naturally aspirated V8. This marks a significant leap forward in both performance and efficiency. With an output of 335 kilowatts, the new engine delivers 37 kilowatts more than the existing Patrol V8. Torque also gets a serious bump, up to 698 Newton-meters. When compared to the Toyota Land Cruiser 300's twin-turbo diesel, the QX80 offers 108 kilowatts more power, although it trails slightly by 2 Newton-meters in torque. Compared to the Lexus LX600's twin-turbo petrol V6, the QX80 boasts an edge of 30 kilowatts more power and 50 Newton-meters more torque. Backing this new engine is a refined 9-speed torque converter automatic transmission, replacing the outgoing 7-speed. This upgrade is set to improve acceleration, fuel economy, and overall responsiveness. The engine itself, codenamed VR35DDT, is an evolved version of the VR30DDT used in the Nissan Z sports car, offering more performance tailored for SUV duty. The engine itself, codenamed VR35DDT, is an evolved version of the VR30DDT used in the Nissan Z sports car, offering more performance tailored for SUV duty. Beyond the powertrain, the 2025 QX80 introduces a suite of new features, including air suspension with adaptive dampers and improved cabin quietness through increased torsional rigidity. First teased in the Infiniti QX monograph concept, revealed mid-2023, the QX80 gives us a taste of what's coming with the next-gen Y63 Nissan Patrol, expected to hit Australian shores in 2025. While the two SUVs will share several design elements, spy shots suggest some key differences. The Patrol will feature traditional door handles and larger headlights, while the QX80 will opt for hidden handles and slimmer lighting for a sleeker look. Reports also hint that a production-ready Patrol prototype shown to U.S. dealers carries a Range Rover-like design, with bolder proportions, updated lighting, and a completely overhauled interior embracing a more modern layout. The 2025 Infiniti QX80 is set to debut on March 21st, Australian time, just ahead of the New York Auto Show, with the 2025 Nissan Patrol not far behind, both promising fresh updates and innovation in the luxury SUV space.